Mitutoyo was already the CMM of choice. And again, it's really about, the service, the technical expertise.
My name's Elizabeth Smith. I am the president and CEO of Acutec Precision Aerospace. I took over from my dad in 2015. Acutec is a build-to-print manufacturer of flight-critical product for aerospace defense applications. We operate in a high-mix, low-volume, very volatile build-to-print environment. We're also really tight tolerance, certainly not variation between different materials, different product types, all integrated.
With brainstorming, we determined that we would pivot towards our landing gear piston assembly components. We have a number of part families that will run across these gantry-fed mill turn machines. And we really use the MyStar here. We laid out a notional gantry line with the automated robot that would help operators be able to run multiple machines and maintain all the tool life to run them unattended.
So prior to having the CMM that's also incorporated by the machines, is the operator would have to take the parts to an inspector. They would have to sit at a CMM and physically run the part. Now the robot can actually load that, run it without anyone ever being there, a machinist and inspector included.
Prior to the MyStar, all of our CMM technology was the kind of CMMs that you would have in a lab environment, manned by a person, not as fast or dynamic as what the MyStar gives us.
So we decided we would actually incorporate the MyStar CMM in particular, because we're a Mitutoyo shop. We want to make sure we have interoperability between all our facilities, and in order to do that, we maintain that consistency of brand of CMM inspection equipment, and we were able to incorporate that MyStar because it was fast and it could keep up with 3 machines running fairly quick cycle time components.
So the MyStar is a system that we can put out on the shop floor. It's accessible from multiple different directions. It was easy to integrate with a robot also. So it gives us an option for faster and more flexible inspection on the floor.
Now the robot can actually load that, run it without anyone ever being there, a machinist and inspector included. So it has allowed for my inspection team to be concentrating on other things while that part is still running. The machine runs, 24 hours a day, so it just continuously runs and loads the parts and checks them.
We reached out to the Mitutoyo Solutions Group. We actually went and visited them down in their Mason, Ohio facility, and they divulged pretty much everything to us of exactly what we needed to do to make sure that we had an efficient integration. They went over the componentries. We didn't have to buy their I/O boxes. We didn't have to buy anything specific from them. They really were just there to help us. Now, obviously, they offer that service, but we wanted to get that experience ourselves. So great people at the Mitutoyo Solutions Center, specifically like Doyle Bush, was someone that basically said, here's electrical diagrams. You can build this yourself. Working with them, they came in and we figured out a very nice I/O system using our Milhaus 78-pin card to send those signals in real time to get the information to the CMM that we need without having to have extra peripheral stuff that could go wrong. So now we've basically taken all of that technology that we put in here that was not working is gone. It's more efficient. We don't have to go pick up placards with barcodes or QR codes. We basically have the robot send a series of signals to our CMM and it says, this is what you want. I acknowledge this is what you want. And once that handshake takes place, the robot's going to go ahead and put a part on the CMM. And when we place a part on the CMM, it's more than just a measurement instrument to us. And that's the beauty of what this whole system is. It's that communication between systems, and it's communication with our machinist. They can basically in real time look at that data as it's coming off. So we don't have to truck these parts all the way to another lab or another in-process inspection to say this is the status of our product. We have that at our fingertips right here, and they have it on each one of their computers in real time. So that's a benefit to begin with. So machine A over here makes 3 bad parts in a row. We offload those to a bad parts area. We stop that process, but we allow the other processes to continue. It places those parts in an order, so when the machinist comes in, there's date and time stamps based upon when those parts were made and what was wrong with them. So during the day, we have 2 machinists over here where we typically have 3. That's a $78,000 a year savings. We also get efficiency gains in the evenings after they leave, but after they go home, they can be assured that if this begins making bad parts in this process, we're gonna stop that process.
We've always found Mitutoyo to be tremendously responsive to questions, very responsive to any issues that might arise, and the applications engineer, the technical knowledge to consult on specific challenging components. So we've had a lot of support. And honestly, as we look at what technology we incorporate, service level and collaboration and partnership is the #1 decision making criteria that we have. We're able to operate CMMs that are over a decade old alongside newer equipment for the newer challenging applications, or as we have automation, that speed or flexibility to be able to run multiple different parts together. So that is really what we're looking for and how we found Mitutoyo to be a tremendous partner.